Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson, we will see how can we start, restart and stop services on CentOS using the SystemCTL. Okay, before start, restart or even stop a service, let's check its status. So let's take the Apache service as an example. To check the Apache web service status, type systemctl status httpd.service. Now press enter. Okay, as you see, the httpd service is inactive, which means that Apache web service is not running, or you can say it is in the stop status. Okay, let me clear the screen and start the Apache web service using systemd. So type systemctl start httpd.service and press enter. As you see, I didn't get any error message, which means that Apache web server service has been started. To check the Apache is really running, let's check its status again. So let's run the status command, which is systemctl status, then the name of the service. Now press enter. Now we can see that the Apache is active and running, and the main process ID of the Apache web service is 2723. Also, we can use the ps command to check if the Apache web service is running or not. So let's type, but first let me clear the screen and type ps aux, then the pipe and grep httpd and press enter. As you see, we get an answer that httpd process is running and its main process ID is 2723. Now let me clear the screen. Okay, now let's restart the Apache web server service. But first, why do we need to restart a service? We need to restart service in situations such as service crashing, high load on the server, or to apply any modifications we done in the service configuration. Okay, let's go and restart the Apache service. So type systemctl restart httpd.service and press enter. Okay, as you see, we didn't get any error message, which means that the Apache service has been started successfully. Now let's end our lesson by stopping the Apache service. So type systemctl stop httpd.service and press enter. Sorry, I didn't type stop correctly, so this should be stop and press enter. Now the Apache service should be not running, so let's check that by typing systemctl status httpd.service and press enter. As you see, the Apache is inactive or dead, or you can say that the Apache web server is not running. By that, we get to the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching and see you in next lesson.